Viewers! You've all seen rainfall, but have you ever imagined rain so intense that within minutes, valleys and mountains flood completely? This phenomenon is called a cloudburst. A cloudburst is a natural event where rainfall that usually takes hours falls within just a few minutes. It mostly occurs in mountainous regions, where clouds get trapped over one area and suddenly release torrential rain. In July 2021, a cloud burst in the Indian state of Maharashtra. It received more than 76 centimeters of rainfall in 24 hours. That's equal to the amount of rain the region usually gets in an entire year. The impact can be devastating. Homes are destroyed, crops are lost, and lives are tragically cut short. Flash floods triggered by cloudbursts are considered among the most dangerous natural disasters in the world. In mountainous regions, people often have to climb to higher ground to escape the rising. Some take shelter on rooftops or in trees. Others are not so lucky. Their homes are washed away and their fields are left destroyed and barren. And as if that's not enough, landslides are also triggered by these sudden downpours. They can bury entire villages in a cloud of dust and debris. In July 2022, a village in the Philippines was hit by a landslide triggered by a cloudburst. Homes were destroyed, crops flattened, and many people went missing. It's important to know that cloudbursts can happen anywhere, anytime. So it's important to be prepared. Experts say that early warning systems and public awareness are essential to minimize the damage caused by cloudbursts. In mountainous regions, people should be aware of the risks and take necessary precautions when heavy rains or storms are forecast. So viewers, what do you think governments should do to deal with such disasters? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.